defect in subject matter is never waived and may be raised at any time. And that would be, if it were me, my sole focus would be on the argument that the subject matter jurisdiction was never proper.
Right.
Because the necessary prerequisites were not met to establish jurisdiction. Are you there, TJ? Still?
Yes,
You
sir.
will?
I'm here.
And Rick, you still there? Or is Rick gone?
Rick dropped.
Okay. That's a major issue in your matter. And again, I have well, my battle buddy jumped on because he doesn't have anything that involves subject matter jurisdiction. But that original issue of subject matter jurisdiction not being detected, not only by the attorney that represented you, but by the court, is bothersome. You don't, hey Moose, you don't need me to because this is a closed session, so only people who are invited can actually speak. So you can unmute yourself if you're in that position. I'm just baffled that they didn't notice that, especially with the UCCJEA not being attached, or even UIFSA, because UIFSA prior to, well, yours is after it. There was a point in time that in Florida, UIFSA did not give a court subject matter jurisdiction, even though Fat Girl McCarthy in my case said it did. I had to inform her that at the time that the case was filed, it did not. And so, you know, your protection would be on what we call like ex post facto the law. So whatever the law was at the time, that's what applied. But
I like that State v. Gooch. A defect in subject matter jurisdiction is never waived and it may be raised at any time.
Yeah, that was just wild. I guess Moose is not going to unmute.